Hi, today I want to talk about voltage as it applies to e-bikes. So voltage is a potential. It's the ability to do work. If you're laying on the beach, you have the potential to run down the beach, but you're not running down the beach, so you're not doing anything. And that's kind of like what voltage is. In itself, it tells you about the ability that you have to do work. But in an e-bike, it's not the whole picture. Most e-bikes today are 37 volts, or you have 48 are popular and some are 52. So that's telling you the potential. The more you go up in voltage, tells you the more ability you, in theory, have to do work. So the bike could be more powerful. I say could be because there's a lot of other factors in there, like your battery voltage. It has to be able to supply the current to create the work. So it doesn't in itself tell you anything about whether one bike is more powerful or faster than the other. And that's what I want you to understand. A lot of people come and say, well, that bike's a higher voltage, it must be more powerful. No, it doesn't have to be. There is a potential for that to be more powerful. But you can have a 37 volt and a 48 volt bike that have the same power. And that's what I want you to remember. It does not tell you anything about the power of the bike. It tells you what it possibly could do, but you got to look further.